Obesity. Obesity is a complex disease involving an excess amount of body fat. It's a medical problem that increases your risk of other diseases and health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, certain cancers, etc. How to diagnose obesity? It is diagnosed when your BMI is 30 or higher. So, in order to determine your BMI, divide your weight in kilograms by your height in meters squared. If your BMI is below 18.5, you are underweight. If it is 18.5 to 24.9, you are normal. If it is 25 to 29.9, you are overweight. And if your BMI is 30 or higher, you are obese. Causes of obesity. Although there are genetic, behavioral, metabolic and hormonal influences on body weight, obesity occurs when you take in more calories than you burn through exercise and normal daily activities. Your body stores these excess calories as fat. Risk factors. Obesity usually results from a combination of causes and contributing factors. Family inheritance and influences. The genes you inherit from your parents may affect the amount of body fat you store and where the fat is distributed. Genetics may also play a role in how efficiently your body converts food into energy, how your body regulates your appetite, and how your body burns calories during exercise. Obesity tends to run in families. That's not just because the genes they share. Family members also tend to share similar eating and activity habits. Lifestyle choices such as unhealthy diet, liquid calories, inactivity, etc. contributes to weight gain. Certain diseases like Prader-Willi syndrome, Cushing syndrome, etc. will cause obesity. Certain medications, including antidepressants, anti-seizure medications, diabetes medications, antipsychotic medications, steroids, beta blockers, etc. may cause obesity. Obesity can occur at any age, even in young children. But as you age, hormonal changes and a less active lifestyle increase your risk of obesity. Pregnancy is another risk factor. Weight gain is common during pregnancy. Breastfeeding may be the best option to lose the weight gained during pregnancy. Quitting smoking is another risk factor. Quitting smoking is often associated with weight gain. This happens as people use food to cope with smoking withdrawal. However, quitting smoking is still a greater benefit to your health than is continuing to smoke. Lack of sleep is another risk factor. Not getting enough sleep or getting too much sleep can cause changes in hormones that increases your appetite. Stress is another important risk factor. People often seek more high-calorie food when experiencing stressful situations. Your gut bacteria are affected by what you eat and may contribute to weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Prevention. In order to prevent obesity, you have to exercise regularly. You need to get 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity activity a week to prevent weight gain, such as brisk walking, swimming, etc. Follow a healthy eating plan. Focus on low calories, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, whole grains, vegetables, etc. Identify situations that trigger out of control eating and avoid that situations. Monitor your weight regularly. You have to monitor your weight at least once a week. So what are the complications of obesity? People with obesity are more likely to develop a number of potentially serious health problems, including heart diseases, stroke, type 2 diabetes, digestive problems, certain type of cancers, sleep apnea, gynecological and sexual problems, osteoarthritis, etc. Here is the scoop on fat burners to eat when you have obesity. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification bell for getting timely notification of upcoming videos. Please don't hesitate to comment your doubts. Foods to eat for obesity. Drinking apple cider vinegar each day can have a boost on your health. Normal dosage is 1 to 2 tablespoons or 15 to 30 ml be taken each day mixed with water. Acetic acid, a compound found in apple cider vinegar, has been cited in several studies as the main ingredient that helps with weight loss by targeting body fat. Consuming a small amount of apple cider vinegar activates your metabolism, which in turn helps your body use fat as a form of energy instead of storing it. The acetic acid in vinegar can suppress your appetite also. Cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. Garlic is responsible for boosting energy levels that burn all the calories, keeping you fitter. It boosts your metabolism, further helping you lose weight efficiently. Garlic is also a non-appetite suppressant. The minimum effective dose for raw garlic is 1 segment or clove, eaten 2 to 3 times per day. You can also take an aged garlic supplement. In that case, a normal dose is 600 to 1200 mg per day. Ginger has a significant effect on body weight and belly fat, that is waist to hip ratio. Ginger also encourages certain biological activities in your body. Recommended dosage is a maximum of 3 to 4 grams of ginger extract per day. If you are pregnant, don't consume more than 1 gram of ginger extract per day. Ginger is not recommended for children under the age of 2. Green tea is a very rich source of antioxidants which boosts metabolism. When your metabolic rate is improved, it automatically aids in overall weight reduction. Green chilies can speed up your metabolism for about 3 hours after consumption, and a boost in metabolism obviously helps accelerate the process of fat burn. Green chilies may increase heat in your stomach, which makes them detrimental for pregnant women. Overeating green chilies can cause rectal inflammation, so use it in a minimal quantity. Add 1 part of amla juice to 3 parts of water to prepare a mixture and drink it every morning on an empty stomach to lose weight effectively. Gooseberry contains vitamin C. The vitamin C powers your immunity to fight off toxins and inflammation and boost metabolism. The pectin fiber that is present in lemon keeps your cholesterol levels under control and also curbs your hunger, preventing you from overeating or snacking. The vitamin C in lemon powers your immunity to fight off toxins and inflammation and boost metabolism. Onions are a source of soluble fiber which makes it a powerful prebiotic food. It ensures a healthy gut, which is crucial for weight loss and belly fat loss. Onions are low in calories, very low in sodium and contain no fat or cholesterol. They contain fiber and folic acid that helps the body make healthy new cells. The curcumin, which is the main active ingredient in turmeric, has many therapeutic properties, including weight loss. It can protect the body from various disorders linked to obesity. Drinking turmeric tea or warm turmeric water on an empty stomach can effectively help your body burn excess flab. Research suggests that 500 to 2000 mg of turmeric extract per day is sufficient to see potential benefits.